If you want to know how to organize all your Canva templates and Canva images in folders to save you a lot of time, keep watching. Welcome to Creative with Pui Designs. In this video, I'm going to show you how to put your images, your designs in folders so you can keep them organized and you can find them when you need them. Okay, let's go to projects. Go to projects down here, click on projects, and here you will see all the designs that you have made here. You'll see folders, images, everything will be in projects. Okay, all the things that you did. Okay, let's go back here. You go to folders. Hey there, Saskia here. Your support means everything to me and my family. If you're watching my videos and you find value in them, please consider subscribing to my channel and also leave me questions in the comment section. I will come back and read all of them, and if there's something, I'll tell you what it is. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for your support. And let's go back to the video. Here is create folder. You can click on the plus, create folder, and this box will pop up. And here you will put the name of your folder. Let's say you have a certain group of designs that you want to organize in folders. You want them all together in one place. Think of a name. You can just put a name for now. You can always change it. I have a name. The name of the folders I want to organize are pencil, digital, paper. Okay, I'll show them to you. And I'll click continue. Okay, so I have the folder created, okay, with that name. When I go here, I'll see it here. You see, it has 0 items. That means I haven't add anything in the folder yet. Okay, so now I'm going to my uploads. Okay, and then I'm going to look for the designs I'm talking about. Let me see if I can find them. Lord, I don't find them. Okay, actually I'm going to change the name. Let's go back to projects. You see, you can always change the name. I'll go here and I'll change the name to Back to School Animal Kids. Okay, hit enter. Let's go to uploads because I uploaded them in Canva from my computer. So I'll go to uploads right here. And then I will pick them all up. You see, when I hover over the design, this box will come. When I select, like check the box, all the images will get the boxes. So I will start checking them. You see, I'm going to pick them up one by one. By the way, I created this in ChatGPT. Okay. I'll go down. Okay, I have these here. Let me put this one too. And I have the whole bundle. I think they are on my website. I'll see if they are on my website or on my Etsy. I have them all selected, what I wanted. I have 11 selected. So I'll click on folder, move to a folder. You can put them in any folder, but I have created a special folder for them. So this one here, I'm going to click on it. And I will click here, move to folder. And all of these designs that I've checked will be moved to the folder I created. Okay, it's a way of cleaning up, like organizing them so that I can find them when I need them. And when you add your images, your designs to a folder, they will all be, let's say, deleted from here. Okay, they will be deleted from images uploads. You can go to folders here. Let me see. No, here is to create a folder. When you want to find them, go to project. And then here they are. You see, when I click on here, I find them all here. So next time when I want to design, make a design, but I need one of these images, I don't have to go in uploads, you know, go and uploads here and then scroll to the bottom images and then look for them. Okay, by the way, they are not here anymore, and look for them. I can just go to projects and folders and I find them right in here. You see that? And then I can start working with them. Okay, if I want to remove the background, come on now, double click. Yeah, you see it comes here, and I can remove the background and do whatever I want to do with that design. Okay, one more thing, you see I can work with it, but it will stay like this in here. Okay, if I want this one with the remove background to come in here, I will have to download it and then bring it over to here, so it will belong here too. But now this is a copy, so I copy it from here to here and I remove the background. Okay, so you see I have created different folders for my designs. Okay, you see here I have all of them here, so when I need them I can find them in here. You see all these ladies belong together. I created these ladies here in Canva, like my pencil alphabet. I have them all in here. This is something you should do. It's something that you should do. You see that I created all this here. It's something that you should do. It will help you, it will save you time, it will keep your items more organized. You will have a better oversight of your items. Okay, create folders. I need to create more folders because I have a lot of this of images. Where are we? Images here. Okay, one more thing, you can also add templates, like bundles of templates, into folders. For instance, you go back to projects. Okay, go to folders, and I'll create here. I'll create my PDF templates, and I will click on continue. Okay, I have it created. Okay, now I'll go to my designs. These are my mockups that I've created. I have 157. I click here, and then I'll go to folders, and I will click on here, and I will put them in here. Okay, you see that? Now I'll go to Canva here, Canva homepage, Canva homepage. You see here projects. When I go to projects and folders, you see my folders here. I can find my things really fast. I can find them really quick. I can come here and click on here. You see, I will click on here and everything will open. Come on, open up. And all my PDF templates will open. Okay, all my PDF links of the designs I'm selling, all of them will open. You can check them here. You see, all of them will open. I put them in a folder so they are easier to reach. Let's go back here. One more thing, you can also star your design so that they can come in here, they can stay in here. Okay, when you star them, they will always be here. Okay, let me unstar these. Untitled design, they shouldn't be starred. Let me see this one. Let me click on it. I know I start this one. Okay, mockups. This one is okay. Right now we are in folders. You can also start the folders, and they will be here. When you start something, it will come to the front. Okay, you see this here start, it will come to the front. For instance, if I start this one too, you see, let's refresh the page. Let's go to start. Okay, you see it's here because I started. All the start things that I've started, they're all here, and they're also easier to achieve, easier to get. So add your designs to folders. It is a lifesaver. It's a time saver, I'm telling you. Please do that. Okay, let me know if you're going to try it. If this is something that you will do in your business in Canva, I think it's something that you should do. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.